Hello me dear friends. The school bell is about to ring and it's time to gear up for another exciting academic year. To help you start the year off right, we've put together a comprehensive list of back-to-school essentials that every student needs. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell too. Let's get right into it. One school bag, backpack. A sturdy and comfortable bag to carry books and supplies. 2 notebooks. Different notebooks for each subject to keep your notes organized. 3 pens, pencils and highlighters. A variety of writing tools for taking notes and highlighting important information. 4 erasers and correction tape, for making corrections neatly. 5 ruler and geometry set, to assist with drawing straight lines and measuring angles. 6 calculator. Depending on your grade level and math classes, you may need a basic or scientific calculator. 7 pencil case. A container to keep all your writing instruments and small supplies organized. 8 planner or organizer. A planner or organizer to keep track of assignments, projects and important dates. 9 lunchbox or bag. If you bring lunch to school, a lunchbox or bag to keep your food fresh and easily transportable. 10 water bottle. Stay hydrated throughout the day with a reusable water bottle. 11 face masks. Depending on the situation, face masks may be required in school. 12 hand sanitizer. Greater than keep a small bottle of hand sanitizer for on-the-go hand hygiene. 13 tissues. To deal with sneezes and runny noses. 4 USB flash drive. A portable storage device to back up important files and presentations. 15 index cards. Useful for creating study aids and flashcards. 16 post-it notes. For jotting down quick reminders or marking pages in textbooks. 17 headphones, earbuds. For listening to audio lessons or multimedia presentations. 18 combination lock. If you have a lock or a combination lock to keep your belongings secure. 19 gym clothes and sneakers. If your school requires gym class, have appropriate clothing and footwear. 20 school uniform, if applicable. Make sure you have the required uniform pieces as per your school's policy. 21 books and textbooks. Check with your school to see if you need to purchase any specific books or textbooks. 22 art supplies. If you have art classes, gather supplies like sketchbooks, colored pencil, sand markers. 23 scientific calculator. For advanced math or science courses. Depending on your classes, you might need a specialized calculator. 24 personal hygiene kit. Depending on your needs, carry items like hand lotion, lip balm and personal care products. 25 school ID or student card. Keep your school ID or student card handy for identification purposes. 26 back support, cushion. If you spend long hours sitting. Greater than, consider a back support or cushion for comfort. 27 multi-subject folder or binder. To keep loose papers and handouts organized. 28 whiteboard and markers. Useful for brainstorming and visualizing ideas at home. 29 reusable food containers. If you bring lunch from home, use reusable containers to reduce waste. 30 motivation. Bring a strong motivation to learn and succeed. 31 positive attitude. Your most valuable back-to-school essential is your positive attitude. Embrace the new school year with optimism and a thirst for knowledge. 32 confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You've got this. With confidence, you'll conquer any challenges that come your way. And there you have it, our ultimate list of back-to-school essentials. With these items in your backpack and a positive mindset in your heart, you're all set for an amazing school year ahead. Remember to check with your school to see if they have any specific requirements or recommendations for back-to-school essentials. Having these items will help you start the school year prepared and ready to tackle academic challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.